What's up, my friend? David Rishka here in sunny Arizona. I'm actually driving to my friend's house right now, so the video is a little shaky. I apologize for that, but I just wanted to cut this short video for you because I started reading this fantastic book called What to Say When You Talk to Yourself, and it's another fantastic book that explains how to use the toolbox right here in between your ears, and makes you realize what kind of treasure you actually have in there. And it teaches you how to get rid of the self-limiting thoughts and self-limiting talk and the negative nagging voice that most of us have. And he also talks about how we all have been programmed, or most of us have been programmed since we were little kids, by the society or our parents or schools with a lot of negativity and self-limiting beliefs. And so he explains different tactics and ideas how to get rid of those old self-limiting beliefs and talks, and replace them with new ones that will improve your life. Okay? And he says, which one thing that was very interesting, that 75% of our thoughts, or 75% of the self-limiting thought that we have, is actually negative and works against us. And that made me realize that it makes total sense, because a lot of people, when they start a new business or they're trying to improve their lives, most of them fail. And why? Because most of us have been pre-programmed with the negativity and self-limiting beliefs, like he explains in that book. So anyways, I don't want to go into the deep details. You can get this book on Amazon for like $9. I downloaded it to my Kindle for like $8 or $9, and I highly recommend to get this book so you can start using this toolbox or the treasure that you have here in the proper way and improve your life. Okay, and with that being said, I gotta get going here. I wish you all the best, and I will see you on the other side, my friend. This is David Rishka, to yours, freedom and success. Later.